Niggas be scared to come outside and shit. That's real life, you know. And check this out though. Yo, I'm in the dark, the park, rat in my lap, light us up out the spark. APBs, gotta watch for the knocks, play it smart, in a pool full of sharks, throwing darts, blowing smarts on the ground. My niggas lounge, gangsters hardly make sounds, don't play around, I'd be a fool to stay in town. My Florida crew is glad I can make it down. West Palmin, palm trees, good weed, purebred red-nosed pit bull, good breed. Flip shit easy as 1, 2, 3. Rather unique, spell smooth with a V. You clowns to see, ain't nothing touching me. Never will I get a shank stuck in me. Non-stop hustling with my arm in a sling. Mean track, son, trying to drop bombs on this thing, but it's off. I get a lot for the cause, I'm a boss. Through supporting the cause, never lost. Endowed features of mine, retreat, undisputed creatures of crime. Believe, a lot of tree to believe. Better than Vicodin, exaggerate or leave. Whole sleeve full of tricks, still hating the Knicks. Cast frontin', funny they be faking and shit. Hating and shit, worship Satan and shit. Blatant and shit, clocking the papers I get. Razors I spit, marijuana vapors I blow. Playing in snow, my son be able to grow. Never know, I could be the next to go. Cash be gassed like a Texaco. Let's go, traffic out in Mexico. Any faggot mad could suck testicles. Blessed with a mess I done made out of life. Crazy, never thought I'd be paying the price, but I'm nice. Ask how I base my life on material. Never jewelry and nice, but watch your back when you leaving the crib, right? Anything can happen outside at midnight. Watch your back when you leaving the crib, right? Cause anything can happen outside at midnight.